special reason why I am here today. I am here to tell you a secret. So for hint number one, who are the people here at Rocky Point who help you learn new things every day? And you can just say it loud. And the Milken Educator Award goes to Jessica Barnette.
I had two of my wonderful friends right beside me, so I looked at them. It's like, really? And, you know, they were ushering me forward. Luckily, the kids that were holding the signs were all kids that I had taught before, so just going to see them was really my main focus.
I think that the fact that so many parents call the school to request that their students be allowed to loop with her, that they continue on in first grade after she has them in kindergarten. When a parent calls and requests you, that's a real testament to what an incredible educator you are.
I teach because educators really shaped the person that I am today, and if I can do that for one kid, then it'll all be worth it.